What's up guys, in this video I'll be going over the Nike training ball for all 5 size variants. In terms of packaging, they're all the same, and on the box it says heavy duty coated PU material increases grip and tackiness for better control, improves core strength, balance, coordination, and flexibility, ideal for upper and lower body exercises. You can choose from 12, 10, 8, 6, and 4 pound sizes, but at the time of this recording, Nike's official website only sells 12, 10, and 6 pound training balls. The packaging on this is not the best, but it does come with a sheet of paper with 7 exercises to perform. Now the training ball is 97% rubber, and in terms of functionality and durability, I never had an issue during exercises since buying them back in early 2019. Since local gyms have been closed for months and doesn't look to be reopening anytime soon, this is a must-have for those stuck at home exercising. So, taking a further look into the ball itself, you're just gonna see the Nike logo, a white stripe, the weight in pounds and kilograms on both sides of the medicine ball, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much the same thing you're gonna find on the other 4 different weight classes. And taking a further look into the texture itself, you can see just how it's kind of constructed, just like any other medicine ball out there. So with gyms, like I said, closed, you really have to be creative in terms of exercises if you're stuck at home. So I've been using this for chest, shoulders, and even went as far as using a backpack to store those same medicine balls to get like a bicep workout, which you'll see in a minute here. All in all, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really much to say about a medicine ball. That's why the video is so short. But if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. And if you like these videos, please click the like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe. Thanks.